Hi guys, okay, this is the first feedback video, just to show our progress. The first one is the license administrator, and this one is needed to create users and to know who's your reseller, his email and what is his reseller's code. So in this example I've got two resellers, Joe Smith that already got 2 clients and Mike Venter that only got 1 client. Now if you look at the bottom side of the screen, the first client bought 2 licenses. One is already activated. This is now activated on my machine just to test it. The second client bought 1 license and the third client also bought 1 license. And just to demonstrate how we can add some clients, we can just double click on that first line and then we can say it's Susan Venter is the client and it is Impala Nala Primary School, and I don't know what the street address is, and it's in Gauteng. And it is Susan @b.com. So email, and the reseller was Joe, very active guy, Joe Smith, and his email is joe@m.com. His reseller code is, what we can see at the bottom is reseller-1, and the client is active. So the moment we add this new client, she will appear here and automatically get a new license added, and it's automatically set for I think 8 weeks, and we can change it. Now she wants more than 1 license, so there's a new license generated for her, and this one we are also going to make 0425, just the same as the previous license, and the last time that she checked it was now, and she's active, and there she got 2 licenses. Now if you want to, once you've received your payment and the license needs to be activated, you can email Susan with the license codes and the link where you can download the software, and voila, off she goes. So you can see on this administrator, you can see what's happening to the licenses. You can also force it to be inactive by just making it inactive and say no, this license is not active anymore, and we'll go inactive and the software will fall over on the other side. It just won't keep on working. So this is basically the license manager. Okay, and next I'm going to show you the Brain Wizard software, Related Brain Wizard, just in the next video, just a moment. Okay, Related Brain Wizard, this is the application that you see in front of you now. Once the client gets his license code via email, you can come and paste it in here, and you can say, right, activate the software. If the license is at OK, you will get a license OK message, and just restart to activate the license. And once you restart it, he's back in this one. Then he will log in the user, and the moment you logged in the user, everything will be up and running. So this is the user management, and here we can add more users. Selected the login, you can go and do the program desired. So let's quickly run through the programs as on this prototypes. Nothing is 100% functional yet because we're still brainstorming a lot around it. So if you look at program 1, you'll first get the instructions, what's going to happen here. In this model, you'll count flashing digits on the screen. The speed will increment with every level of numbers. starting with a spelling mistake that I'll fix. Okay, let me first fix this. So once he's logged in, you can go to the program of his choice, and program 1, you'll get your instructions here. It will tell you what to do, what's this program about. You can go to the options and you can select the level that the learner must start on, and then you can need the start button. You can also go and look at the progress for the last few weeks. So that's this date, he did exercise up to level 4. This date, the red one, he did level 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can see the progress per level for these dates. So we'll keep on tracking it. This is just dummy data for the moment, just to explain the concept. And then you can say start this exercise. Then it will start with a count timer that will tell you you're on level 1 now. Count all the 5 flashes on the screen, and then it will start flashing the numbers one by one, and you must count 5. There's 1, and there's 2, there's 3. I'm waiting for more 5s, I'm waiting for more 5s. There's 3 so far that I counted. And after the level is through, it will ask you how many 5s did you count, and you can give your answer. And so I did counted 5 of them, and you can submit your answer, and it will start with level 2 and count the number of 6s. And now it will just carry on with this, and you're waiting for it. 7, 8, 5. There's no 6s yet. No 6s yet. I'm waiting for 6s. There's 1 6. I've got 1 6 so far. There's 2 6s. There's 3 6s. And I can say to him, right, I counted 3 6s total, and submit the answer. Now this will keep on going, and then you can select your options to start the next level. So under options you can go and say, right, okay, I want him to do level 6 now, and say okay, and you can press the start, or as I explained, you can go and look at his progress, and you'll see how the learner progressed. That's basically program 1. Program 2, you'll get your text in a certain amount of seconds depending on the level, and under options you can go and say Afrikaans or English, the level you want, and you can choose it. And if you say start, it will begin reading at start, and it will start counting down, and then there's the reading, and now you get an X amount of time to read this. And it's Afrikaans or English, and this is just the samples that we've got. And after the timeout time, you get all the questions. Piet gaan skool toe ons gemaak toe, yes, no, and you can do all the answers. And if you finish, you submit it, and it will say you have 5 out of 10 correct. It will give you a summary of the answer, and that it will keep. And every level will have the progress report as well. Level 3 we are still busy working with. We're going to start at level 4. Keep your eyes focused on the dot. We start it, and there's the dots start circling. And this will also be according to levels. And then we go down, and that the options will be circles and colors. We're still busy working on the options for this as well. And then level 5 is what's discussed. We're still busy working with it. So this is the basic program, where it will show you which learner is logged in to BrainWizard, and the programs you can do, and the progresses. Now what still will appear here is a reports button that you can print out a progress report over all the programs for the learner at the end of his sessions. So this is a quick overview that we can give, and the rest will come after discussions again. Thank you.